we're going to go over matter today, and we are going to introduce a new strategy, the KWL chart. There are 3 columns in the chart. There's the K. We're going to go over what we already know, a little bit of our background knowledge. Then we'll discuss what we would like to know, the W column. And then at the end of the lesson, we'll go through and see what we've learned. So, Ms. Haley is going to go ahead and what do we know about matter?
So who knows something about matter?
What about that?
Like solids, liquids, and gases.
There are 3 stages.
And you can copy this down on your chart. There's the K.
Okay, what else?
Do we know the 3 stages?
Well,
Go.
I guess you said the 3 stages, but they're solids, liquids, and gases.
Alright, one more thing.
Solid particles are close together, gas particles are far apart.
Okay, so to start off the lesson, we're going to do a little experiment. So in this bottle, there's 1/4 cup of vinegar.
That's our liquid.
And then in the balloon, there is 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
Which is our solid.
So what do you guys think is going to happen when the baking soda mixes in with the vinegar?
Yeah.
Explode.
Explode?
Yeah.
Everywhere?
Yes. The balloon's gonna like pop up.
Okay.
All right,
Let's see.
see.
All right.
So the solid and the liquid combined made a mixture to make the balloon fill up. And what's inside the balloon?
Gas.
Right.
Okay, so now we're going to discuss what do we want to know or what we would like to learn today about matter. Even if we don't discuss it today, maybe tomorrow or the next unit. Anything. Yes, no.
How does it go from one stage to another?
Okay, anything else?
How small are the particles?
Okay. Let's do one more. Yes.
More types of gases, I guess.
The types of gas.
Like more
Examples?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So the first stage that we're going to talk about are gases. And gas molecules are flowing around. So they're not like packed tightly together. They're everywhere, bouncing off the walls and everything. So does anyone know some examples of gases?
Okay.
Okay. So another example would be like the air that we're breathing. It just fills up the extra space that solids and liquids don't fill up.
All right, the next state that we're going to look at is liquids. Liquids, unlike gases, gases are, like she said, they confine everything that liquid and solids do not. So liquids take the shape of the container. So I have a bottle of water here, and it's a liquid, but as I pour it in here, the shape changes, but it's still a liquid. So liquids always take shape of the container that it's in. So the molecules and particles are loose, so they're able to move and change shape.
And then solids are packed closely together, so they cannot change the shape. So unlike water, you can pour it solid. If you would put a solid in here, it's not going to change its shape. And so like examples would be like our table, our pencils, stuff like that.
Okay, so
So
go ahead, can we have everyone out of their seat? And we're going to come in the center here. All right, and I have one person here. Okay, you two can stay right here. There we go. All right, two more in front of them, and then two more in front of them. Shoulder to shoulder, please. And shoulder to shoulder. Okay, now what would this represent? Liquid, solids? Solids. Okay.
why?
Because they're tightly packed.
Yep, and a fixed pattern.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Now just like spread apart from each other just a little
Don't go
bit.
beyond us two. Try to
Okay.
move around a little bit.
Yeah, you don't have to be like in a straight line, but
Move a little bit.
okay.
And what does this represent?
Like,
Liquids.
And why would it represent a liquid?
so we're still good.
Yep.
And we're still confined within space.
Yep, so we're confined, but we're able to move. All right, now you have the whole center. Go ahead and move freely. And this would represent
Gas.
gas. There we go. All right.
Okay, so now we're gonna complete our KWL
So you guys-
chart.
Can sit back down.
So can anyone tell me anything that you've learned?
Our liquids take the shape of their container.
All right. Something else?
Helium and oxygen are examples of other gases.
One more.
What did you learn about solids?
And a fixed pattern.
All right, and just to review, can someone give us an example of a solid? Yes? Okay. A gas? Yes?
Helium.
Okay. And liquid? Yes.
Water.
All right, very good.